Who doesn't like long drives? After a hectic journey, eating delicious food at the dhaba is such a thrill. Let us prepare the Dhaba Style Mutton Curry in today's video. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and for the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I'll marinate the meat by adding little amount of salt, followed by red chilli powder, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and cumin seed powder. Followed by adding a good amount of thick yogurt. Mix it thoroughly and allow it to marinate in the pressure cooker for at least an hour. Meanwhile, I'll be crushing ginger and garlic by adding a little amount of salt. The salt helps in breaking up the fibers in the ginger easily. The meat is well marinated. Let me add adequate amount of water and start cooking till the meat is soft and tender. It will take at least 4 to 5 whistles. In another pan, I'll be taking equal amount of cooking oil and ghee, and I'll heat it till the ghee melts. Then I'll be adding black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and few whole peppercorns, along with 1 stick of cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. I'll allow all these spices to get thoroughly fried in the ghee till they are nicely aromatic. Then I'll add a good amount of chopped onion and fry it till it is brown in color. Then I'll be adding chopped tomatoes and frying till the tomatoes soften. Then add the crushed ginger and garlic and fry it till it loses its raw smell. Then I'll add few green chillies for a bit of spiciness. Then in goes the cooked mutton pieces. Fry it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll add in the mutton stock, put the lid on and allow the curry to simmer on a low flame for at least half an hour. Once the curry is cooked, I'll be adding finely chopped coriander leaves and a squeeze of fresh lemon. This regal, savory and flavor-packed curry tastes awesome with parathas and naan. Please click the like button, hit the bell icon and also subscribe to our channel for further videos. Thank you.